A guidance seminar on the topic Maritime Life, A New Hope and Opportunity was held with great enthusiasm on Saturday at the Institute of Engineers, Shivajinagar, Pune. The event was jointly organized by the Company of Master Mariners of India, Indian Maritime University, Indian Maritime Foundation, and the Maharashtra Maritime Board. The program provided detailed information about career opportunities in maritime life, the necessary educational qualifications, admission procedures, and various government and private training institutes. Students were guided on professions in the maritime sector, career paths, lifestyle, and future opportunities. Ramdas Tambe, reporter Today News, Pune.
Good evening, this is Captain Dr. Ashutosh Shapankar, Principal of Training Ship Rahman. Today I have come here to represent Training Ship Rahman and Masters Mariners of Maharashtra, MMA. Together we are having this program called Women Empowerment. As you are aware that International Maritime Organization, their motto right now is Women Empowerment. And for that we have come here to tell all the people, the students over here regarding the empowerment of girls in shipping industry. There are various courses depending on their qualifications. Girls can join after 10th standard for GP rating or after 12th standard science for officers program. Basically what we are offering here is that the girls will first have three major roadblocks cleared. Number one, job. First they will undergo training, then in the meantime they will get the job offer, or before that also, because certain shipping company like Maersk, BW, they are offering job first and then you're coming for training. During the course of training, they get scholarships from Government of India and private scholarship from colleges like T.S. Rahman. So the second hurdle is also done. And the third hurdle is preparing them for the sea. So that is done basically into the training institute when they are doing their courses. The GP rating course is for 6 months and the officers course is for 1 year.
Good evening. I'm Sanjeev Ogle, Chairman of Institute of Marine Engineers, Pune branch. I have been instrumental along with the other people over here who are come forward to educate and regarding the career guidance that is required for the Merchant Navy, because most of the times that we have seen is these children, they normally get cheated as they do not know how to go about joining the Merchant Navy, whom to consult, where to go, and the proper advice they are not given. So today's basic seminar, or you could say today's career at sea, this has been devised by all four institutes that are in Pune, that is the Institute of Marine Engineers, the Institute of the IMF and CMMI, along with T.S. Rahman Principal, who has come forward to educate the children and the new aspirants who would like to join the Merchant Navy. Thank you.
Good evening. Myself Cadet Radha Shivaji Akhade, and now currently I am studying in Rani Lakshmibai Mulinji Sainiki Shara. And today we got a platform so that we will get our roadways, so that we can complete our dreams. And yes, today we literally got many more opportunities, and kind of we can say that आम्हाला ना आता खूप काही कळलंय, समजलंय, and I thank them very truthfully from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Today the session was about the Merchant Navy and Indian Navy, INS, and I think I want to join INS Vikrant as it is, and as my inspiration goes for Merchant Navy more probably. I got my ways and to complete my dream. Yeah, seminar was all good. Thank you.